celebrating the 126th year of Philippine independence. Did you know that the Philippines celebrates its independence on June 12, 1898? But it wasn't until July 4, 1946, that the country was officially recognized by the United States as an independent nation. The date was later changed back to June 12 to honor the original Declaration of Independence from Spanish rule. This adjustment highlights the Philippines' unique historical journey, giving it two significant anniversaries that symbolize its struggle and triumph for sovereignty. Thus, the Philippines commemorates both June 12, 1898 and July 4, 1946, as pivotal moments in its history of independence. Jose Rizal once said, "Ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika, daig pa ang hayop at malansang isda."